How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today we are looking at a new cryptocurrency, one that is pretty interesting right now. And as you know, I have been talking about cryptocurrencies that are a little bit smaller. They have maybe more potential. They're not necessarily in the top 5, top 10. Again, most of my portfolio is in Bitcoin, but I have been taking some bigger bets on cryptos way down the list. So today we're talking about one that is interesting. Like I said, it's in pre-sale right now, so there's a lot of potential. There's also more risk when cryptos are in pre-sale. I do have a promo code underneath the video as well in case you want an extra 5% token bonus. You can use that link and then use the bonus. Today we're talking about Peekamoon. Now this is obviously inspired by some really well-known games and shows in the past, it looks like. Now, I do want to show you some clips at the end that are just internal clips from the team. You can see here that is followed by a couple people that I follow, some people in meme coins, some people that are very well-known investors in the crypto space. They have about 25,000 followers over on Twitter, and they are finishing up their pre-sale phase 3. So after this, they are going to have their Pika launch. They are planning on a tier 1 exchange, they say. And they have raised about $4.8 million so far. Now, of course, always do your own research. Make sure that you're comfortable with any investments that you make. This is a sponsor of the channel, so I want to thank Peekamoon for sponsoring this video. I will say, too, a lot of people think that sponsored videos are bad. They're not. This actually shows that they have some capital to put towards marketing, which is important. In the next bull run, there are going to be a lot of games. There are going to be a lot of cryptocurrencies, and you need to get your name out there somehow. So I think of this as a positive. Now, Pikamoon is an NFT play-to-earn game on Ethereum, and this has some crazy potential. We'll go through a comparison versus Sandbox. As you can see here, they tell you how to buy Pika using Ethereum from your wallet. And again, I'll leave links to this underneath the video. It gives you the different steps to buy it as well. So definitely take a look at it. As you can see here, this is their Peekamoon official beta trailer. Now, this does look really high quality. I'll show you some of the names that are attached to this in a second, but you can see how the gameplay works a little bit here. And honestly, this looks like a game that I would play, or I used to play as well. Now, of course, whenever you have a pre-sale game, the big question is, can they deliver on the game? That is what I really want to see from Peekamoon from here on out. But so far, the graphics look awesome. I'm going to click off of this, but you can go to their website and see more of the gameplay. You can see more of the graphics here, but it is pretty impressive so far. They do have this group, Kavuru Games, which, as far as I know, they have worked on Star Wars, Fortnite, and Undead Blocks, Iron Order, a couple other big names. I did want to take a look at this, though, because it's pretty interesting. If you compare Peekamoon to some well-known cryptos of the past cycle, pre-sale comparison, investment raise, community, developers, partners, let's go through it. So investment raise, the Sandbox raised about $3 million in 2020 with only 12% of the token supply available. Peekamoon raised over 4.8 million with 6 million well in sight, with 30% of the Pika supply being sold in the pre-sale. Peekamoon has 2x more capital, they say. Community. Peekamoon's engagement and current active community is outperforming the Sandbox by a factor of 15. Peekamoon is getting an average of 8K views per post, which is a 33% engagement rate compared to Sandbox getting 20,000 views per post, which is just a 2% engagement rate. Developers, they're working with Kavuru Games, which has worked with Fortnite and EA and Star Wars. The Sandbox team was unknown during the pre-sale. Here's a Pikamoon HQ. We understand that this is only as good as the product, or that you're only as good as the product. Partners and team. Peekamoon are a doxed and transparent team with one of the founders doing a YouTube series. They have weekly videos on the project. They've partnered with numerous news outlets like Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, and Crypto News. The Sandbox team is also doxed. Peekamoon market capitalization and token. Pika is launching at just a $35 million market cap. Sandbox is currently at a $750 million market cap. So obviously, if Peekamoon moves up to Sandbox's market cap, whatever Sandbox is at right now, not even during the raging bull market, but just to the same, it would be about a 20x bagger. So that would be pretty great. So the opportunity right now, just 20% of the Pika pre-sale tokens are available before we sell out and launch the token. We will become a serious player in the GameFi space, challenging the top spots with capitalization similar to Sandbox. Now, I do want to show you some stuff coming from the team on how they can kind of go right into play to earn. But again, it is important to note that they are doxxed. They are making videos. They're trying to grow their community. They are in the ICO phase, so take that into account. They do say that they have a very high ICO quality over at Foundico, which is nice to see. Like the team 10 out of 10 finance, 8 out of 10 product, 9.4. They have 12.5 thousand holders already, 12.5 thousand people that bought it, 24,000 people over on Twitter. They have a crazy active team and community in Telegram and Discord. They say the pre-sale is about to sell out. As we know, there are about 2 months left. It's very close to the Bitcoin halving. And they say that that Pika will be launching on a tier 1 exchange. Now, all pre-sale investors will get free NFTs. This is important to know. The more tokens that you hold, the more NFTs you're able to mint, and the higher chance that there will be a rare that you receive. The NFTs are worth $3,000 if you invest around $3,000 into Pika based on their prices. So let's take a look at some of the final alpha for the day. These are the internal videos of the hub creation and Peekamoon dashboard. Now, the hub will go live after the pre-sale finishes. This is some major alpha because it bridges Peekamoon into a play-to-earn game with rewards. So this is coming very soon. As you can see here, the dashboard looks real nice. Of course, we do think that gaming in general is going to have a huge spike up during the next bull run, or the gaming cryptos. The question is whether Peekamoon can really deliver on what they've done so far, because so far it's been really impressive. I want to continue to see them execute because so far it is, like I said, it's pretty good engagement. It is quick growth. From what I can tell, they are going to be really well capitalized as well, and they're starting marketing already. Now, let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. Is this something that you're interested in? Are you interested in gaming in general? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if there are any other pre-sales that you bought recently as well. I really appreciate it. Of course, always do your own due diligence. You can check out the links underneath the video. Make sure you use that code if you are going to buy the pre-sale, so that way you get the extra tokens. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.